this progression is from the song called Snap. To play this progression we need A minor. So holding A minor we have 5, 4, 3, 2. We gotta pluck 3 times. Then we gotta go F/C. So if you know F chord, so you gotta shift the ring finger on the 5th string 3rd fret and little finger on the 4th string 3rd fret, and we just hold the C. We don't play the 1st string, so we just pluck again 5, 4, 3, 2, but we play only one time. So A minor 3 times, then F/C. Then we go C major. Again we go 5, 4, 3, 2, but we play 3 times. Then we go G/4 shape. So we have 6th string 3rd fret and 1st fret on the 2nd string. Holding that we pluck. So 6, 3, then 1st fret on the 2nd string. Then we play open on the 2nd string. So second part chord C. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, then 6, 3, 2,